If you are watching this video, I'm going to assume one thing about you. I'm going to assume that you are not lazy, you are not idle, you are not stupid, you are just being lied to. You have watched all the whole movies in this life, all the whole how to do this, how to do that, how to do this, how to do that, and now you are tired. Well, I'm not going to sell you dreams in this particular video. I'm just going to tell you how money is being made. This 2026 is no longer the year people confuse you anyhow. By now you should have known that there is a way billionaires take. There is a way millionaires take. There is a way thousandaires take. It just all depends on the level which you want. So I'm going to divide this video into 4 parts. And the 4th part is going to be hardest way, medium way, easiest way, and the most stupid way in this life. So pay attention, hit the subscribe button. Let's dive in. So I want to give you a disclaimer. This video is not going to be short. This video is not going to be short. It's a long video. So if you are a fast person, if you're somebody with a high dopamine, you shouldn't watch the video, because this is not a motivational talk. It's a process that you have to follow. So it's going to be a long video. I'm going to break everything in 4 parts, like I said before, and I will tell you how long each part will take you, and who is it for, what exact step to take, and which ones you should avoid completely. Now, part 1, the hardest part, which is wealth. When you hear wealth, this is where wealth is. The hardest part. Most people should not follow this way, but if you want to build a wealth, this is the part you should follow. But it shouldn't be your first line. It shouldn't be the first thing you should start with. It should be maybe when you have small thing, somebody sponsoring you, or you have small thing coming from somewhere, you have had an income that you can survive with. I am being very, very honest. This video is not edited. This is pure raw. So pay attention. The hardest part. This part pays you. This part builds assets. This part pay you when you stop working. So how does it pay you? It pays you between a timeline of 2 to 10 years long. Did you hear me? 2 to 10 years long. It requires patience, learning, and systems. Now, who owns this part? People who wants to build something worth owning. It's not people who want to just make money. Some people who want to build something worth owning. So what are the things? One is software or AI products. So what are the steps to start with? Pick one industry. Pick one industry. Pick one industry. Find problem. Identify a problem in that industry. For example, check about Spotify. There is other social media. There is a website to download music. Then Spotify came. What problem did Spotify came with? More streams, more income, and what ability to stop using cassette, download that they go, and listing everywhere you go. So now pick an industry, identify a problem on that industry, build the simplest solution on the industry, then charge every month. Not one-time payment, charge every month. Improve after users pay. Improve. At the time you will get better. This thing takes years before maturity, but once it clicks, for example, take a look at ChatGPT. There are many problems out there that you can do. You just haven't think. Then the second thing on this hardest way is buying boring businesses. Do you see car washes? Do you see logistics? Do you see renters? Do you see campgrounds? Do you see these places I mentioned now? These are boring businesses that pay over time. If you have hard money, influence, if you invest in this type of businesses, eternity. Find a business. What is the step? Find a business with steady cash flow. Identify inefficiencies. Add AI tools to automate the operation. Increase margin without increasing work. It's up. You're gone. This is where quiet millionaires live. You call the business trash. They use it and cash out every day. Last but not the least on this hardest part, this is where you find the influencers. Audience first, monetization last. Now, how do you do this? It is called a personal brand product, you yourself. Then how do you do this? Just like I'm doing now. Use me as an example. Pick one topic, talk about it for years, post consistently, even raw, even without edit, just like I'm doing. I'm not editing this video. I am not editing this video. Then build trust before selling. Introduce products once demand exists. Distribution is power. Take a look at Bella. Take a look at TikToking. Take a look at the people that are making constant money on these apps. Are the people that have been doing one thing repeatedly for years. What is the hard truth here? The hard truth is this part hurts early. This particular part, it hurts. Like you will be like, can I do this? 1 view, 2 view, 3 views. You'll be like, I can't do this. But you can be able in a long run. But most people should not start here. You should get comfortable first before starting on this place. That is the hardest truth. So now we are going to step number 2, the medium part. So the medium part, what is on the medium part? Skill. This part now fund your future. You can be on this part before going on the hardest part. And what is the timeline? It pays between 3 months to 12 months. Minimum of 3 months, maximum of 1 year, which is 12 months. This one can give you steady 5 income potential. Then who is this for? People willing to become valuable. When you want money, you offer value. Let me lean backward first so you can hear me. So what works in this aspect? What works in this aspect is automation agencies. What does automation agencies do? When businesses are overwhelmed, what do? You come into there. You learn businesses that are overwhelmed, businesses that are not moving right. Let me tell you something you don't know about this particular place now. If you find a business, one business type, and identify a time wasting process and offer to automate one workflow and charges monthly for maintenance, you are going to make money. How do you do this now? Go to businesses, maybe people that sells food that has a website, or churches. You automate their chatbot. What do you know what chatbot is? It's just like an AI form that responds to anything somebody asks on the website. Listen again. Anything that somebody does on his website, you come there, you automate it to respond to people coming in and seeking for help or asking for prices or do any sort of thing on that website. That chatbot will do what? Reply it. That is how you do what? You charge maintenance money monthly, and there you get income. This takes you minimum of 3 months and maximum of 12 months to accomplish this type of skills. Second one is AI creation tools. You have been seeing AI movies, AI this, AI that, running up and down. People are catching out with it. Pick one niche from there. Movie, real estate, coaches, brand advertisement, so on and so forth. Pick from any of these, then learn the AI creation, learn how to create content on that niche you pick. Master it 3 months, it will start paying you. ASAP. Don't know. Now let's go to the easy parts. So what is this easy part? What is this easy part? What is this easy part? This is where beginners that has nothing should start. This one take minimum of 30 days to 60 days. So what is it on? It's a low skill barrier. At least it gives you confidence, skills, and cash flow. This particular place is very easy, and people make thousands of dollars from these things. Now, what works in this aspect is short form editing. Like right now, I need an editor. I need an editor that can edit my video. So the demand is very massive. In as way that AI is doing editing, AI can't edit more than human being. Short form editing, massive. All these clip businesses, come on, it's making massive. Check about football clips, it's getting millions of views, generating thousands of dollars. Check about all these content creators, streamers that they stream and somebody editing to it, and massive views. Are you surprised? Don't be. Learn basic editing, offer clipping services, use AI to move fast, charge per batch. Don't charge per clip, charge per batch. Like 4 or 5 video batch together. You understand? That is it. If you do this, I'm going to give you a work. If you do this particular one now, I am going to give you a work, and if you deliver, we work. So what is another thing? Social media copywriting. Words move money. Study ads, caption, rewrite what already works, offer result, not words, and get paid fast. You understand? You can even use this on X, which is Twitter, which words move faster than there. To get monetized on Twitter can take you less than 60 days. You get monetized. You post anything there. Yes, it is. It is that simple. It is that simple. You understand? It is that simple. So now let me tell you the trash part, which is number 4. This part now is their part that is very useless. Now, how is it useless? Part 4. Now listen, if your skill is replaced by AI, oversaturated and easier to lose than win, run. Run. You understand? This part now is a part you should not try. You see, crypto trading, I want to be a forex trader. I want to be a crypto trader looking at gurus. Avoid it in 2026 if you want your life to be useful. You see NFT flipping. You see data entry. You see basic captions. Random day trading. See, if you don't have money to pay a very strong mentor $25,000 up to $100,000 to coach you you shouldn't enter trading. Trading is not where small picking there. You with your your mud house, you want to use free ideas from YouTube and trade. Learn something that will give you money ASAP. From that, you generate more income. In a space of 2 years, you get that place that you are learning that day trading and hoping in 7 years, hoping in 5 years, hoping in 3 years that you will get. You are not going to get there. But if you get the skill, as you grow gradually and you get to pay a mentor will mentor you for 6 months and you become a profitable trader. Now you have crossed so many paths. You've become matured emotionally, mentally, and physically. So that time you can do your trading without getting FOMO, emotion that if I lose. Hey. See, if you watch to this level, I try to subscribe. You understand? Try to subscribe. So the final frame, you understand why most people fail is they fail because they switch too fast. Every switch resets progress. If you do this one, you are starting all over again. You don't need more ideas, you need commitment. Stick one part, stay enough longest to win on that part. So if this video gave you clarity, subscribe. I am building this channel for people who want real results, not hype. And remember, you can do anything, just not everything. I repeat, you can do anything, but not just everything. So thank you for watching up to this level. Share this video, subscribe, like, and drop the comment of the thing you want to learn. And don't forget that I said if you learn the basic editing and you know how to do work, I am going to work with you.